And you shaved your nipple. Wait, I have to wear a blindfold again?
Yes. The best stairs are when you wear a blindfold. Stairs, oh, I mean flat. Dave has no idea what's going on. Okay, you'll be fine.
What are those sounds?
Huh? Basta, Dave. Take your shoes off. Oh, sorry. Don't move.
I'm really scared now. Hey guys, it's me, Dodong Dave.
And it's David Wild, and this is Dare David!
Each week, we give each other dares. So last week, ako inihatag ang dare ni D.
Salamat! Yay! Kimchi. This week's dare is... Dave, take your blindfold off.
Holy
We're going pole dancing!
Hi, I'm Charmaine.
I'm Bill.
And I'm Jane. We are from Pole Dance. Ooh, are you ready, Dave?
I don't know what to feel.
You're going to feel pain.
Guys, what are we gonna learn today as beginners? I'm gonna join you because I didn't work out today.
Usually a class consists for about an hour and 30 minutes. And then we're going to teach you the most basic that we
Do you need like a lot of flexibility?
need a lot of skin. Are you ready to show the world your skin, Dave?
Well, the world has already seen my...
Did you bring any athletic wear today? Well, good for you. I did.
Oh. And you shaved your nipple. You think I can do that?
Yes.
So we're going to do warm up.
I know I may be young.
Are we gonna go all the way up the pole?
All the way down the pole.
It's okay, Dave. I'll catch you if you fall.
Am I gonna die?
This is so fun. Why do you look so scared?
This is a different kind of fitness. Thing.
We're gonna do strengthening and conditioning first before we do the trick. Lift your heels up first, right armpit to the pole.
It's easy.
Girl, you couldn't even get up the first one. Excuse me.
Face the pole, lift your heels, make sure the feet are hip distance apart. And now, very good. Nice.
Did you see that? Loser. There, panit.
And right leg first, hands up high here. Squeeze the pole first, then.
Manay.
Right leg, sorry, right arm.
Ano yun, no? Western flag.
See, Ma? I did it!
Straighten our legs.
Open. Good.
Wow, Dave. You were made for this.
Chicken.
Since this is your dare, I will let you do the honors of performing for us. Ladies and gentlemen of Spolfinks and the By TV audience, please welcome Dodong Dave!
I'm just a bachelor.
So how'd that feel, Dave?
Kapoy. I feel like I have to be strong everywhere.
And you're not.
Of course I am.
You have dreamt about this day for so long.
Magic Mike Dreams. Never seen that movie though.
You haven't seen Magic Mike?
But I know it's sayo.
Just sayo.
I do siya sayo.
Basta lumiin ng laki.
Curious ni mo, Dave.
Palong nga.
How do you enroll at Spolfinks?
Have to come here actually.
Where are we?
Our studio is located here in IT Park. Very accessible. You just have to check out our Facebook page and Instagram if you like.
Thank you to guys from Spolfinks. And don't forget to follow us on social media, me at DavidWildX, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all the social media accounts.
Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Dave Garante, and my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, Dodong Dave. And that's it for this episode. Bye guys! Hey guys!
And this week's fan shout out goes to Kevin Echeverria. If you guys want us to give you a little shout out, make sure you share this video with the hashtag
Magic Dave. Thanks again guys for watching our show.
and don't just watch it, like, share, comment, do all this stuff. Bye!